Hello everyone, welcome to part 3. I'm going to finish this up. I'm going to work as fast as I can. Alright, let me explain what this does. So, fn is going to get the temporary file name. Now, the temporary file name includes your directory, the temporary directory. So, we don't want that. So that's why we're doing this. Fn then equals the get name. So it just grabs the temporary name of the file. So temporary file name is going to be something like tmp dot or tmpd and then some numbers and then dot tmp. Now we don't want the file extension type to be tmp, so we're just saying that this new string tn is going to equal fn dot replace. So we're just calling the replace function, and we want to remove the temp and replace it with HTML. We're going to update our table, which is the name string that we've already created, which altogether looks like this. So it has your application directory and your math type, and yeah, so then it also has a unique signature from this temporary file name, so there's no duplicates. And then we're going to create the file stream and tell it to create the file table. We're going to close it so we don't get no errors when we're trying to append it. The stream writer is going to append our file, so open it up for writing, and then once we're done writing it, we're going to close it. Now, to do the writing, we want it to run a for each loop, which is going to say for each item in HTML code, which is a list of strings that we have publicly declared, when we want it to write the current item for the line. It's going to keep running till it's at its end. We're going to do sw.flush, clear the buffer, and then we're going to close the file. Now, there, we need to do this. Otherwise, you will never have this work. Form 1 events. So form 1 load. Now, we haven't created the temporary folder yet. I mean our main folder, which is in master string. No. Okay, so when this loads, the program is just going to check to see if the master string file, which is your application directory, /table, which is the subfolder name, is created. If it isn't, then it's going to create it. That way this doesn't run into no errors trying to put it into a folder that doesn't exist, that it can't write to. And one last thing, the major thing, how we get our program to accept our user parameters is by going through your text box. Now, key down. Oops. Alright. Now, I'm going to stop the video, and I'll see you for the final part. Alright,